It's 3rd June 2025. Today was there was an interesting trade today. So if you I use OI Pulse as I said, this is the future chart actually. So where is today? Okay, so you can see in this today there was a gap down, and today the sentiment was really bearish. There was a virgin CPR in if you go and check the CPR chart, this area, like here we had a this one, like yesterday there was a virgin CPR here. So from the virgin CPR level, the market has corrected. It was getting corrected, and from here this candle you can see 1036 candle. After the 1036 candle, it broke the VWAP and it broke the super trend, and it jumped all the way down here. Like how many points? It is like 8 from 24,806. It has jumped to 24,774. So it's at least like 20, 25, 20, 30 points. So when it jumped all the way down here, you can see in the options chart also. Uh, where is that? See here, the I have taken Sensex chart here, 81 200 P. So from here you can see like it jumped from 398 to 430 levels. Okay, 429, 430 levels. So you can see what happens so in that in such type of scenarios, what you should do is like you should wait for a retest of the gap. Okay, so if you would have waited for the retest, like you can see this gap, this is the Nifty futures. So in the Nifty futures chart, after the jump, it went back again, and it tried to close the gap, then it fallen again, isn't it? So that was a good time to enter into a trade actually. If you look at here, this is what happened here. So it went, see, after that gap, this is the PE chart, put chart. So 81 200 put. So from, as we said, like 398 to 430, and it went all the way to 600 levels. Then it came back to 3 425 levels. How much? Yeah, 425, 423 levels. Then that was the time we should have taken an entry. So if you would have taken an entry at 430 levels, so like 425, 30 levels, like we would have got at least like 70, 80 points here, isn't it? That was very cool. That was a very cool trade. And also, if you look at here again, once again, if you see here, it once again it tried to fill the gap with this candle at 1133, 1130. So this candle also, if you would have entered, because since it is a gap, so it was trying to fill the gap once again with this candle, but they couldn't fill the gap. So if you would have entered at the close of this one at 1133, go to the put chart, like this P chart. If you see this candle here, 1133 candle, if you would have entered on the gap, if you would have entered on the gap, what is a good thing? We are also entering at the put support here. We were entering at the put support at around 405 levels, and it it crossed the put VWAP also. So if you would have entering at 400 levels, 400 to 450 levels somewhere, then we were getting a good move till 600 point, like up to 600, like 150 points in just few minutes. So these are some of the smart entries which you should never ever miss it. Okay, so wait for such trades. Whenever you spot such trades, just enter with a tight stop loss. Like for example, in this case, like the stop loss is pretty clear. Suppose if this candle, when it was forming, it was becoming red, as if it is going to break this super trend, but no, you can enter this trade because it's a support area. So this was a good trade as per me. So whenever you spot such gaps in between the candles like that, so always, especially if it is a 25, 25, 30 points, especially that's a very good time, like you can watch for refilling of the gap. Then on the filling of the gap, like you can enter and you can capture some quick and easy points. Okay, so I have taken a trade and it was good. So that's why I thought to share it. Okay.